So
Hey everybody, it's Shum here, and today we're going to be playing some Skywars. I'm going to be going eco and rushing mid. Let's see. Hup. Come on, come on, come on. Alright. Thank you for the poison pot. It's okay, because I have gapples. Up, blazes, blazes, and I'm lagging. Come on now. This is not good. Come on, shoot him, shoot him, shoot him. Okay, okay. Off to a good start, kind of. What? I thought I got the boots. Here they are. 1, 2. Oh, we got speed. We're set. We are set, baby. Oh, okay. We're full diamond. Nice start. It's a great rush to mid. Oh, okay. We're gonna take that dude. Take that dude. What's going on here? Oh, they're having a fight. Alright, we're gonna take this dude. Whoa, whoa, whoa. No. Okay, there we go. Got that dude. That's a weird name. I like old men. Okay, let's see, we got one dude right there. Where's the other dude? I have no clue, actually. I'm gonna build up, because why not? I'm getting a little bit of lag today, so shit might go down, you know? Shit might happen. Oh, here they are. Do I have... Oh, I do. Surprise! Oh my god! See how... See that lag right there? That was horrible. This person thinks they're cool. But they're not. They're not cool. Oh my god. Oh, okay, well, GG. Alright, so that'll be the first game of this episode, and I will see you guys in the next game. Okay guys, we're back to the second game. I might want to do a ranked series episode, like Road to, I guess, 1. You know, because that's the ranking system shit, you know. Anyways, oh god. Okay, thank god that didn't happen. First to mid, alright. I think we are. Yeah, I think we are. Okay, what's this dude? What's he think he's doing? Nope. Oh, you think you're so cool, huh? No, you're not. I'm trying to mine these chests. These are all mine. That. Okay, and we're out of here. Thank God I didn't fuck up on that. You know what? I'm trying to see if I can keep this channel a family-friendly channel. I don't like usually cussing. Oh dear lord, what's going on right there? Getting so bad lag today. Can I? How about it? Come on, can I? Oh, he's low. Boop. 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 There we go. That was awesome. You think you're so slick, huh? Nope, I got strength. Okay. We have TNT. I'd like to blow this up. I see you. Think that I don't see you. Oh my god, you see this? You see this? Whoa, did that just save my life right there? You know how you take no damage with ender pearls? I like ender pearl to the ground, and I guess I survived because this horrible lag. Give me that potion, please. Thank you. Okay, any gapples? I thought we had gapples. Do we? We do. 1 gapple. I'll take it. Where's the last dude? That's not the last dude. Jesus Christ. Excuse me, sorry, I had to sneeze. I might edit that out. But, I might mute it, actually, but let's see. What are you doing? You think you're so cool, huh? Do you know? I'm gonna save the last ender pearls for somebody else. Last dude. Nope. Oh shit, man, he's killing me. Okay. Last dude. So where's he at? We're gonna do it. He must be Cannoneer, because I just heard an explosion. Let's see, we're gonna move up here. Where is he? Oh, there he is. I see him. He's this way. How you doing? Oh, so I don't think he is Cannoneer. What? But he was at 9.1. Okay, whatever, GG. Alright, that's going to be the second game, and the next game will be the last game for this episode. Okay, guys, we are back into the last episode for this game. I'm going to be going Pyro, yeah, screw it, why not? Let's see, Diamond Chestplate, awesome. What about in here? Diamond Helmet, Diamond Boots maybe? No, Iron Boots. Alright, so we're going to put that all on. Oh my god, I'm getting so bad lag, I need to fix this. Go to mid. There we go. Toss the regen, because there are going to be other people here. Hopefully everybody comes at once. I get strength to just dominate everybody. Okay, things are going as planned. Oh my god, no. Oh god, that scared me. Oh. Ooh, we got speed, you know what that means. Got that dude. Got another dude over here. Got that dude. Oh my god, it's only me and some other person. Okay, well, this is a really fast game. Holy shit. Let's see. Where's he at? Did I? There we go. Where is he? Oh, here he is. Okay, GG. Alright guys, that's going to be the last game for this episode. Yeah, the final game for this episode. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.